Good afternoon and welcome to the St. Clair County COVID briefing. I'm joined today with EMA Director Herb Simmons. Health Department's unable to be here. They're working on some additional vaccine planning information. So I'll go straight into the numbers today. St. Clair County, we have tested 233,482, which is an increase of 1,762 since yesterday. For positive totals, we have 24,172 positive tests, which is an increase of 152 since yesterday, and those are males and females under 10 up to their 80s. That brings our daily county positivity rate to 8.6%. For negative test results, we're at 209,307. Unfortunately, we are adding 4 additional deaths in St. Clair County today, bringing the total COVID-19 related deaths to 375. That is a male in his 70s, a female in her 80s, a male in his 80s, and a female in her 90s, all with unknown health conditions. And our thoughts and prayers go out to those families that suffered those losses. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 21,694. For state totals, the state has tested 14,667,148. For positive totals, they've had 1,064,667, which is an increase of 5,343 since yesterday. Unfortunately, they also added 130 new deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 18,179. For hospitalization numbers, and these are St. Clair County hospitals, we have 97 COVID-19 related patients, and 11 of them are on ventilators. And in Region 4, we have 177 COVID-19 related patients, and 18 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, these are cumulative numbers since the beginning. We have Cedar Ridge of Lebanon has 157 cases and 20 deaths, and that is 1 new case. Cedar Trails of Freeburg has 29 cases and 1 death, and that is an increase of 2 cases. Freeburg Care Center has 135 cases and 7 deaths. That is an increase of 1 case. Four Fountains in Belleville has 151 cases and 29 deaths. That is an increase of 3 cases. Mercy Rehab and Care Center in Swansea has 126 cases and 15 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 death at that facility. St. Paul's Home has 152 cases and 28 deaths. That is an increase of 1 death at that facility. And Sycamore Village of Swansea has 29 cases and 1 death, which is an increase of 1 case at that facility. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons.
Thanks, Brian. We'll go into the zip code report before we discuss a little bit about the vaccination plans still going on. 62201 goes up 3 to 506. 62203 goes up 1 to 539. 62204 goes up 3 to 351. 62205 goes up 2 to 556. 62206 goes up 7 to 1,104. 62207 goes up 3 to 514. 62208 goes up 8 to 1,353. 62220 goes up 11 to 1,661. 62221 goes up 14 to 2,321. 62223 goes up 7 to 1,445. 62226 goes up 10 to 2,633. 62239 goes up 2 to 385. 62243 goes up 2 to 640. 62254 goes up 4 to 686. 62255 goes up 1 to 62. 62257 goes up 2 to 271. 62258 goes up 5 to 868. 62260 goes up 4 to 624. 62264 goes up 6 to 296. 62269 goes up 12 to 2,720. 62282 goes up 1 to 52. And 62285 goes up 4 to 456. As Brian said, our daily county positivity rate came in at 8.6, which is down from the 10.0 yesterday, which is a good thing, going in the right direction. The regional positivity went down to 9.8 from the 9.9 of yesterday. And then the county 7-day rolling average went down to 10.2 from the 11%. So those are all good indications. And the surrounding counties that came in today, Bond County 4.5%, Clinton County 8.1%, Madison 8.7%, Monroe 7.9%, Randolph 5.0%, St. Clair come in the lowest at 3.7%, and Washington was 11.8%. Today, 71 individuals under the age of 40 was on the positive test list. So again, just an indication that this virus doesn't care how old, doesn't care where we live, what our health conditions are. It's here. But Brian, the good thing is the numbers going down a little bit again today.
Yeah, numbers going down a little bit today, and we actually saw some yesterday with the announcement from IDPH and the governor's office that the tiered mitigations, some regions could start moving, and we did see Region 5 in Southern Illinois has actually moved all the way back as of today to Tier 1, and they're back to reopening some indoor dining and at their bars and restaurants at a limited capacity of 25%. But I think what's important for us to know is that new goal we need to strive for, Tier 1 is 8%. So we need 3 consecutive days below 8%, while on those same 3 consecutive days we have our hospital ICU beds above 20%, our medical surge beds above 20%, and 7 out of 10 days showing a decrease in hospitalizations. So we just got to get those hospital numbers under control. We're seeing that positivity rate come down, as you said today, down to 9.8. So we're already below the 12 to bring us back into Tier 2, as long as we get those hospital numbers, and then hopefully very quickly back into Tier 1.
Well, as we talk about each day, we can't thank our hospital partnership that we have, everybody working together, especially what they have been for 309 days with this, but now with the rollout of the vaccine, that partnership, that collaboration has just got even stronger. As we said yesterday, Chairman Kern had a call from the governor's office. We've got a meeting coming up Tuesday with representatives from IDPH and the health department here on setting up a mass vaccination site. So we're really excited about that. The sign-up form, as of today, 32,686 of our citizens have registered for that. And as Sam told them yesterday, doesn't mean you're ready right now. That's just the interest form. Once we receive the product, which
Correct.
is what we're waiting for,
Yeah.
then they'll be notified.
Yes, as quick as the vaccine is getting in the county, it's getting distributed to the hospitals, and they're finalizing those in 1A. We've begun doing some vaccines at our clinic at 330 West Main. Vaccine, absolutely you have to, because though you...
New norm.
Yes, sir.
And there's nobody that wants to get past that more than all of us. Team St. Clair, as we said, it's been teamwork. 309 days we've been here. We'll continue to be here. As Brian said, the health department today, on Saturday, even working on logistics of getting the vaccine rolled out. As Sam reported yesterday, we were with Mila. She's working her fingers to the bone. I can tell you, everybody at the health department, both St. Clair County, Eastside Health District, our partners from the hospitals to our frontline workers, first responders. It's been teamwork for 309 days, and whatever length of time it's going to take, we're going to be here because that's our job, to be here to make sure the citizens of St. Clair County are receiving the best information and the best solution that we can be a part of all together. So we will continue to be here. We're going to be back with Cindy and Daisy in just a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities. And then we'll be back tomorrow for our question and answer Sunday afternoon for day 310. Everybody have a good evening.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.